Providing a stylish yet practical solution is exactly what Aqualux have achieved here with their Shine range of products. By making Shine available to a wider audience, Aqualux have enabled every homeowner to update their bathroom with a modern contemporary style. And that's exactly what you'll see right across the Shine range. There are 8 different options available to you, and within that there are features and specifications such as walk-in enclosures, bifold doors, corner doors or sliding doors such as this, and they all come in a variety of different sizes. So behind me here is one of the sliding door models in one of the larger sizes, of which there are 5 to choose from 1000mm all the way up to 1700mm, and they're absolutely perfect in examples such as this, where the homeowner wants to replace the bath altogether with a nice modern contemporary walk-in shower. So the sliding door itself has a nice highly polished silver handle, and the first thing that strikes you when you slide the door back and forth is the quality of the mechanism, and this is due to the wheels that are mounted top and bottom. And at the bottom down here, the wheels themselves allow for the door to be fully removed, so cleaning the bottom of the door and the mechanism itself is really easy. The height of this enclosure is the same as all the others in the Shine range at 1850mm. So let's have a look at some of those other enclosures now. So here we have another example from within the Shine range, and this is the bifold door. And the innovation here that Aqualux have got is all to do with the hinge. A standard bifold door just wouldn't give you the size of opening that this hinge does. You'll notice this clever design here. When the bifold door goes open, the actual opening itself is as large as that. With some standard bifold doors, you might only expect to get the door open as much as that. As we move further down the range then, this is a corner unit, again with corner entry here, but on sliding doors. So twin sliding doors for corner entry, and then a magnetic seal ensures that leak-free shower. Let's have a look further down the range. So here we have an offset quadrant and a standard quadrant, and both of these come with the curved sliding doors, and once again they've got that magnetic closure to ensure a leak-free shower. Moving along the range then, the last example that we've got for you here is a walk-in shower, and these are proving extremely popular with people who perhaps want to replace their bath altogether once again. On the outside of this one, you've got the highly polished silver towel rail. It's 6mm toughened glass, and the curve on this one ensures that you won't get any splash from the shower coming out into the bathroom. The great feature of this is as well, you can have it in either a left or a right-handed option opening. All of the products in the Shine range, from the sliding door, the bifold door, the quadrant, the offset quadrant, and this, the walk-in, come to you with a spare part replacement service from Aqualux and a 10-year guarantee. And there's full customer support as well. To check out this range of products, and indeed the full range of Aqualux products, simply log on to the website, which is www.aqualux.co.uk.